Okay, what I promised I would show you in the last video was how the steaming power is working now that I have the PID installed. And I know you probably don't have anything to reference it from because you didn't really know how well it worked before. But with the PID installed, you get pretty much steam completely through the shot until you run out of steam, which really goes quite a long time. Not nearly as long as my Apartamento does, but that's another kind of a system there. So I already have my coffee ground up and tamped into my portafilter. So I hope you can see this okay, and I'll try to stay out of the way the best I can. Okay? All right. You're there somewhere. There you are. Okay. I put about 17.5 grams of coffee in here, and so I'm looking for about 35 or so grams of coffee out of this. And I don't know if I have this this grinder dialed in just right yet. I think it's pretty close, but we'll see. Yeah, it's running a little fast, so I'll probably stop this shot a little short. Well, that's not running too bad. We'll see. Yeah, it's at 20 grams at 11 seconds already, so. Running up to about 40 grams. Yep, well, that's a little fast. So, there's the, I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's got some crema on there. I think it's pretty close. That shot's not too bad. And now I'll turn the steaming power on, and I know you can't see the PID from where you're at, but it's going up. I think I've got the PID set at about 279 degrees. It's now at about 230, and it's making its way up. It's going up pretty quickly. The nice part about this is the PID doesn't let it fall down too far in temperature before it goes up, so it keeps it in a much narrower range than the Gaggia Classic without the PID, and it would let it go down a little bit too low. So it's there now, and it's up at about around 284 or 5, so it's on its way down again. So we'll see what this thing looks like. So far looking okay. Try to stay out of you guys' way if I can. And unfortunately, I know you can't see inside here, I don't think. Maybe you can. Going pretty well so far. Starting to warm up the cup already. Getting warm already, pretty good. And of course, you won't see any latte art from me. I tried, but I'm still watching the videos and trying to learn how to do that. But I'm just looking for a good nice foamy shot of oat milk on top. It's getting pretty hot now. And that's really hot. So just back in here, run that up. Okay. I got a little bit too many bubbles in there, but we'll see. I don't know what you can see here. Whatever it is, it's going to be pretty sloppy. Well, it's looking pretty good. I actually like oat milk for foaming, but I'm not that good at latte art, so maybe some of you tell me that it's doing a little better. That's about as good as I can do. anyway, the steam power I think is pretty good with the Gaggia Classic. Now you didn't really get a good, a very good display of that, but from my standpoint and watching it happen, it's already gone back up to 279 and etc. So I'm going to play with it. I can bump that pressure up about 10 more degrees, I believe, is what the Shades Coffee PID manual says. So I'm going to play with the temperatures. I've got it set at the standard settings that they recommend, but they also say that's just that's just what they recommend to keep you from going too high or too low, and then they give you lots of leeway to try it from there. So anyway, I'm very happy with my PID installation, and I can show you guys this. It's really going down now because I shut the steaming part of the boiler off, so it's going to go back down to the boiling temperature now. So I'll cool that off here in just a second. But anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.